In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscriber-only posts on Substack. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your Substack account using your usual details. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find all your main tools. Find the option labeled Create and click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Article. This tells Substack you want to write a new post. After you select Article, you'll be taken into the editor. This is where you'll build your entire post. At the top, you'll see fields where you can add your article title, and just below that, a subtitle if you want one. The title is usually short and clear, while the subtitle can add a bit more detail or context about what the post is about. Below that, you'll see the main content area. Click into that space and start writing your article. As you type, you'll notice a formatting toolbar at the top of the editor. This gives you rich text options so you can make headings, bold or italic text, and organize your content in a clear way. You can also use this toolbar to insert links, images, audio files, videos, quotes, and even buttons. Use these tools to make your post more engaging and easier for readers to follow. For example, you might add an image to break up a long section of text, or a quote block to highlight a key point. Take your time here to polish your content. Once you're happy with your post, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Continue button. This will open a pop-up window with your publishing options. In this pop-up, look for the section labeled Audience. This is where you decide who can access the post. To make this article available only to paying readers, select the option Paid Subscribers Only. Keep in mind, this option is available only if you've already connected a Stripe account to your Substack, since that's how Substack handles paid subscriptions. After choosing your audience, review the other publishing settings in the pop-up, such as whether you want to send the post as an email or simply publish it on your site. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Publish or Send. Your subscriber-only post is now live and visible just to your paid subscribers.